Hi everyone, and welcome to Multiplicity Crafts. Today I'm honored to be a guest designer for the Crafter's Castle Challenge blog, and I'll have more details on the challenge in a bit, but first let's take a brief look at my project and I'll let you know how I made it. So this frame table art is great for your home decor, or you could even make it as a gift. And to make this I used the digital images from the Rusty Rails kit. That's by Tailor Made Cards for You. So all I did was printed out the digital images in color, and I cut all of them out with my scissors, and so that was very easy and quick to do. And so you can see here, this is an image of one of the little pieces that came in the kit, and this is before I inked it up, and it's really cute and it looks just fine like that. But after I inked it, you can see it gave it a little bit of a more aged look, and so I really think that that helped pull everything together when I put it together on my collage. And so I just used some clear gesso, and I placed all of the little pieces that I cut out from the kit onto a piece of chipboard, and once that was dry I gessoed over the top to seal everything in. And this is what it looked like once I cut away the excess paper from the edges, and that way it fit really tidily into the dollar store frame. So you can see on the finished project here how everything looks all collaged together, and how putting the distress ink on the edges kind of tied all of the colors and the little images together. And then I decided to put a quote on the corner of the frame, and it says, "We are the train, the tracks are the path our lives follow. In control it dispatches God. He is overseeing each of our movements and coordinating what happens." And so I just added that on the corner and added a little bit of baker's twine and also some twine around the frame just to make it look a little bit more old and rustic. And you can see here I'm just turning it around to show you this was just a plain Jane Dollar Tree frame. Dollar store, Dollar Tree, same thing pretty much. So I loved working with this kit, and there's so many ways it can be used. Oh, and speaking of Tailor Made Cards for You, they are the sponsor for the Crafter's Castle Challenge blog, and they're giving away a prize to the winner. So everyone is welcome to join the challenge, and you can find the challenge blog link below in my description. There you'll also find a discount code on the blog for 20% off of your digital order from Tailor Made Cards for You. So again, this is a very affordable way to make awesome home decor, crafts, gifts. There's a lot of different possibilities. Thank you for watching, and I will see you next time.